Hello everyone, welcome to Narayan Tech House. This is Narayan. In this data analytics series, I am going to explain all data analytics concepts with real life examples. If you want to become a data analyst, then don't miss this series. Please subscribe our channel Narayan Tech House and click on bell icon to get the notification. Please share our videos with your friends also. Let us start now.
What is exactly data and what is exactly analytics? And finally, what is data analytics? All of you. We'll divide and discuss. We'll divide and discuss. First, let's see just a overall point about what is data. What is data? Okay. So data is nothing. Data is nothing but raw facts, guys. Data, nothing but it is nothing but what here? Nothing but raw facts. Raw facts, guys. Raw facts. What is the meaning of raw facts? Like, see, for example, let's take one table, guys. This is the one table. This is the one table. A table contains, okay, suppose student number. Let's take a student name. Let's take the marks, for example, like this. And 100 or not one, the name is something Nani here, and marks are something 90 marks. Okay. And the 102, the name Satya, and then 95, right? And 103, let's take some name like this, and the marks are 99 marks. Like that, some table is there. Some table is there. In this table, okay, we have some values, guys. It can be numbers, it can be strings, or it can be again numbers, it can be dates, it can be emails, it can be passwords, it can be URLs, right? Like that, we can have multiple values, different types of values possible, right? So here, Nani is a raw factor. 90 is a one raw factor. 95 is one raw factor, right? Each one is one raw factor, guys. Each one is one raw factor. Spelling mistake here. Raw factor, FACT, okay? Raw factor, guys. Each one is one raw factor, right? So there is a one more word, data and information. Data and information, right? So data means what? Collection of raw facts. Raw facts, right? So here, suppose what is 99? What is 99, right? All of you. All of you. This is single value, right? 9 is there, right? Or single value, just Ramya is there. Ramya is there. Or single value, Satya is there, right? Each one individual values, guys. Individual values. That's what data. Now, from this data, if you get a meaningful sentence, a meaningful, okay, result, that is called information. What is information? All of you. Suppose observe here, Ramya, Ramya got highest marks. Highest, highest marks in the class. Now this is what here, this is the information, guys, all of you, right? See, from this data, I got a meaningful result. This is called what? Information. Because out of all the students who got the highest marks, 99 means Ramya. So now Ramya got highest marks. All of you. And next one, let's take something same. Nani got very less marks. Right? It's also what here? It's also a meaningful result. It came from where? Came from the table, guys. It came from the table. Table means what? Raw facts. All right. So data means what? Data means the raw facts. Each one is individual value. Each one is a raw factor. From the raw facts, okay, we get some result. That is called what here? Information, guys. Data and information. Data and information, right? So generally, the data will generate in all the stores. All of you. The data will generate. From the data. Finally, what we get the result. Information. We get the information. That information, it can be sentence format. It can be graphs format also. It can be graphs format also, guys. All of you, like this. It's also information. Data to information, guys. Data to information. All of right. See, if you observe, if you remember in the yesterday class also, yesterday class also, guys, I explained the diagram, right? So initially we have multiple branches. Now all the branches, what happens there? The data will generate. And we load into the data warehouse, and then we create the graphs. Well, what will you create the graphs? Graphs means what? They give meaningful insights. They give meaningful result, meaningful insight, right? So this is what this is the data. This is the data. From the data, finally, what I'm getting now? I'm getting the information. Data to information. That's all. So the same, what is the information? Tell me now. What is information here? Information means it is the result of what? Result of data which is more meaningful, guys. Information is the more meaningful and easy to understand also. Easy to understand, guys. Love you, right? So first data generates, if you observe, I think yesterday diagram is there, guys. Yesterday diagram also is there. Yes. Here, data generating in all the stores, right? Data generating in all the stores. And the data we keep on processing, and finally we get a meaningful insights. A meaningful insights means this is called information. Generally, a lot of people get confusion and data information both are same only. No, right? Information is very meaningful. Data is not meaningful. All of right? Okay, fine. But data can be which one? Data can be all of you. It can be a numbers, right? It can be a numbers format. Data can be a numbers. Okay, data can be a numbers. Next one, data can be a text. It can be text also, guys. Data can be a dates also. Dates. Data can be a which one? Some uh, text numbers. Mails means some same all, guys, right? And it can be clicks also, guys. Clicks. Clicks means what? Clicks means what here? For example, see, one app is there, and let's take one app called Swiggy, guys. Okay, Swiggy is there, right? Swiggy, and here hotels are there, right? In the Swiggy, what are their hotels? Hotels are there. Okay, and in that hotel, I have chosen which one? Some biryani, guys. Okay, biryani, right? And here minus is there, plus is there, right? Minus plus, guys. All of you. So first, this is the hotel. If I click the hotel, then it opens the items. That is what click. Click also on information on data, guys. If I click here, then it opens the items. Again, here plus minus is there. If I click the plus, it will add one item. If I click the plus again, it add two items to the cart. If I click again plus, it add one more item to the cart. If I click the minus, it decrease the one value again, right? Means every click also is one data, guys. Finally, what we say here, data is everywhere, guys. Data is everywhere. Wherever we see any app or any website, any business item, guys, whatever we do related to business, compulsory data is there. So data is where? Data is everywhere. Data is everywhere, guys. Right? But it can be collected from where? It can be collected from it can be from websites, all of you, from websites. It can be from the apps. It can be from the apps. It can be from the machines. Machines can be collected. Or if you see like a sensor device, guys. Recently we have smart watches, smartphones, smart devices, right? Sensor devices, guys. Okay, means you can get the data from which one? Sensor devices. You get the data from hospitals, banks, right? Banks, passport centers, all of you. Passport centers, other centers like that. There's no limit, guys. There's no limit. Everywhere data is there. Data is there everywhere, guys. Or in schools, colleges, all of you. Means depends on the type of data again. Depends on the type of data. Suppose government they want announce one scheme to the students, one scheme to the school students. Then what they do? They take the data from all the schools. How many students are there? How many gender? How many boys are there? How many girls are there? Class wise, caste wise. They will take all the data from the schools. All of you. Or else, like government, they want assign a new, they want to give free course to college students. Government wants to give free course to college students, all BTech colleges. Again, what they do, they take the data from all the BTech colleges. If you want to analyze see, recently we got the corona, right? Every day we get the updates, every day. How they get the updates? They take the data from hospitals, right? All of you. So like that, data is available everywhere. Let's take the Swiggy. In Swiggy, what they track you? They track what food you ordered, guys. First, they track you, right? Okay, means the data saved in the database. What food you ordered, right? Which restaurant you are choosing, which restaurant you are choosing, right? At what time you have given the order, at what time order is given, all of you. Next, how much you paid, how much you paid, or is it like a payment, COD, right? Like that, guys. Okay. And also, finally, what rating you have given, right? So like that, this all data save in the database, guys. If you take this, not only these 5, multiple steps are there. Like what is your OTP, at what time the delivery partner reached you, all of you, right? Okay. So everything will save in the database, right? So it's about what, guys? Data. Data is everywhere. Every data.